at you with another tutorial. This is how to get multiplayer Dolphin on your computer. This is using Dolphin 5.0 too, so it's the latest and greatest emulation from them. The first thing you want to do is download the program, which will come from this website right here. This is Dolphin, their website, and download this version. I'll have it in the description. After that, plug in your controller and open up the program. Hit controllers, and on port 1, check standard controller, and then hit configure. Click refresh over here next to devices, and select your controller. I have X input because I'm using an Xbox controller. Now when you're mapping your buttons, make sure it's the same as the GameCube, even if the layout's a little different, just to stop, so you don't have any confusion. Or if you have a custom layout you want, you can do that too. A for A, B for B, X for X, Y for Y, sticks the same, and triggers. If you guys want to have a custom preset for your controller, you can type in here and hit save. This will keep a preset for you, so if you plug in a different controller, you can have different stuff for that. Hit OK after you're done. After that, click config. Right here you want to copy what I have. Enable dual core speed up, enable idle skipping, and enable cheats, speed limit 100% normal speed, and JIT recompiler. That's the recommended. Interface, everything check except pause on focus lost. Audio, DSP HLE emulation fast, and audio backend X audio 2. Now you might want to mess with the volume too, because the GameCube games and Wii games can get pretty loud, so when you're playing with friends you might want to hear them. On GameCube, make sure on slot A or B or SP1 it's checked to nothing. Now when you play by yourself you can have a memory card in, but not when you're with your friends. And you're good there. After that, go to graphics. Now this decides where you lag or not. This can be a little bit different for each computer because not every computer is the same. Her eyes really weird right there. Okay, now on graphics, you want to make sure that you have the right backend. I use Direct3D 11. That's worked out for me pretty good, but a lot of people use OpenGL. You can just choose from there. Full screen resolution, keep that to the resolution of your display. This is not your actual in-game resolution, just so your computer resolution doesn't get messed up. Now aspect ratio, if you like the boxes on the side so you want to keep it true pixel, you can force 4:3, or you can stretch the window for 16:9. After that, you can use full screen, or check VSync if you want to, if you have horrific screen tearing. On enhancements, your internal resolution, this will vary depending on your computer. I use 2x native right now, so I know I won't lag in any game when I play Netplay, just so it isn't a better experience for both of us, because if you lag, then they lag. For lower end computer, you might want to check 1.5 or native. For higher ends, I could probably go up to 1080p, but just going to make sure that you're good. Anti-aliasing, none. Anisotropic filtering, 1, and only check scaled EFB copy. On the hacks tab, check everything from EFB, and make sure texture cache is fast. External frame buffer, disable that, and fast depth calculation, disable box mounting, check that too. Have nothing checked on advanced. Now you want to get your ROMs here. So you want to make a folder. Let me go to my ROMs folder here. You want to make a folder here. Just anywhere in your computer. Name it ROMs. After that, you want to put all your ROMs in this folder. This makes it easy for Dolphin to find all your games here, so it can be in this nice list, so you can just click on them. Just drag them in there. Make sure they're ISO files. Those are the ones that can be read. From there, to actually start playing with your friends, check Tools and click Start Netplay. After that, the person that's hosting is gonna click Host on Super Smash Bros. Melee. the people who are connecting, they're going to get a code and they're going to put it in the host code and hit connect. Once you have this open. By that I mean this window. This is the code that you're going to give to your friends. Send that to them. You can click copy. Once everybody's in here, perform an MD5 check on your current game. This will make sure that everybody's on the same game, so you don't have any issues. Now, this is where you have to test out yourself with your friends and whether they have good internet or not. I've tested that anywhere from like 50 to 100. You should use 9 or 10 on the buffer. But if you have friends, that go to like 150 ping, you can change it to even 20. You just have to check this out for yourself. You might have to quit the game a few times to get to a place where you're comfortable with the frame rate. And then when you hit start game, it'll pop open the game for everybody and you'll be ready to play. Alright, that's basically it. You'll do that for every game. You can change the settings, the graphics settings, depending on what game you're playing. But yeah, it'll be the same. Alright, thank you for watching.